Person runs to use the bath all day. Stools are loose and fluids slip away. Cramps and bloating, maybe fever too. It's diarrhea, here's what it can do. Diarrhea drains the body fast. From infections, food or meds just passed. Could be viral E. coli or more. A doctor's word will help restore. Contaminated food or unclean hands. Poor sanitation spreads across the land. Viruses like 𝗁𝗵𝗶𝘀 might play, or Giardia in water every day. Diarrhea drains the body fast. From infections, food or meds just passed. Could be viral E. coli or more. A doctor's word will help restore. Hydration first, give fluid salts and rest. Oral rehydration often works best. Watch for blood or signs that last too long. That means something deeper could be wrong. Chronic cases need more labs and scans. Could be linked to gut or 𝗰𝗵𝗆𝗕𝗏. See clean water, wash both food and hands, and follow what the care guide stands. Diarrhea, common yet not light. Know the cost to treat it right. Always seek a doctor's view to learn what's safe and what to do.